Today, Ford unveiled the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger for the North American market. The Ford Ranger comes in entry-level XL, middle-level XLT, and high-level Larian trim series with available chrome and sports appearance and FX off-road package and in Super Cab or Super Crew Cab configurations. The new Ford Ranger seats up to 5 people. It includes an 8-inch touchscreen with Sync 3 system, while the instrument cluster features dual LCD productivity screens for real-time navigation and audio information. Advanced driver assist technology includes standard automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, a reverse sensing system, and class exclusive blind spot information system, pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control. It also features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford Alexa Personal Assistant. Additional features include LED headlamps and tail lamps. Optional exterior lighting includes puddle lamps and lighting for cargo bed, and Ford's smart trailer towing system, which allows drivers to faulty trailer connections. The car will go on sale late this year, early next year, 2019. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down on what suggestion videos I should do.